So we are on Aer Lingus flight 137 from Dublin International Airport to Boston-Logan, Massachusetts, United States. Now, much to the chagrin of my brother, I've taken a lot of takeoff and landing videos, but no drinking videos. Well, that's all going to change today. So, what I've got, this is apparently an Aer Lingus exclusive. This is Crean's, Tom Crean's, a true Irish hero, the Dingle Brewing Company. Superior Lager. Let's see here. Water, malted barley, and Saaz hops. Nothing else. Brewed and packaged in European Union. Dingle Brewing Company, Dingle, County Kerry, Ireland. 4.2% alcohol by volume. Alright, here. Had a bit of a hiccup there.
Oh my goodness. There's an extra cup in there.
Oh, okay.
For the beer.
Very, very like not a lot of flavor.
Just a little. I just want a little bit.
Okay, here you go. It's pretty good though. It's not bad. I mean, you know, if we did it on the taster, it'd be like probably a 5.5 or 6 rating or something like that. You know,
Yeah.
there's not much to it. It's okay, but it's really. That's why I kind of hiccuped. It really like made me. I don't know. Very whatever. Anyway, what kind of rating would you give it?
Like a 5.
Yeah, I think I'm with you about a 5.5. So, see if it'll focus. Yeah.
No.
Nothing?
Yep.
Cool. So the Tom Crean's True Irish Hero Lager from the Dingle Brewing Company. Tibbetts is angry because we have very little space here. As you can see, it's very cramped. Here we are, over the ocean now, just south of Iceland. 4 hours, 49 minutes to Boston. And let's see if the screen changes here. It'll be something okay. And no, nothing. So, thank you for joining us on this taste tour. And we'll be back with these other 2 liquor drinks. And so, continue to join us.